Today, we will be learning the basic shapes. Let's start with shape 1. Do you know what shape this is? You have 5 seconds to guess the name of this shape. Tick tock, the time's running. Time's up. It's a circle. A circle is round, so it doesn't have any sides. Let's learn some fun facts about the circle. It's a 2-dimensional shape. And the distance around the circle, outside of the circle, is called the circumference. Shape number 2. Can you take a guess as to what shape this is? You have 5 seconds to make your guesses. Let's get going. Time's up. It's a square. Let's take a look at some of the fun facts about the square. The square has 4 equal sides. Because of its 4 equal sides, it is known as a regular quadrilateral. Shape number 3. Do you know what shape this is? Your time starts now. Time's up. It's a triangle. Let's learn some fun facts about the shape triangle. The triangle has 3 sides. The angles inside the triangle always add up to 180 degrees. Shape number 4. Can you take any guesses as to what shape this might be? Time is ticking. It's a rectangle. Let's take a look at some of the fun facts about this shape. It has 4 sides. Opposite sides are equal and parallel, and all angles are equal to 90 degrees. Let's move on to the final shape, the shape number 5. Any guesses as to what the name of this shape might be? Your time has started. It's an oval. Some of the fun facts about an oval is that it doesn't have any sides, and it resembles the shape of an egg. Can you spot the resemblance? Now it's your task to find the shapes that we have learned today around you. For example, a fridge is in the shape of a rectangle, an egg is in the shape of an oval, an orange is in the shape of a circle, etc.